Welcome back sa aming channel, another tutorial guys. At for today's video, we are going to use Zetian. Zetian, the Celestial Empress, is a powerful utility and crowd control mage in Mobile Legends. Instead of bursting down enemies, instantly like Eudora or Kadita, she rules the mid lane by applying non-stop poke, massive slows, and absolutely map pressure with her global ultimate. Let's go! Skill 1 Phoenix Strike. Zetian launches a Phoenix Wave forward. If it hits an enemy, she can automatically cast it up to 3 times in a row.
My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to decide.
Skill 2 Phoenix Descent. Zetian summons a Phoenix Spirit. It deals 150 to 250 magic damage and applies 50% slow. When the Spirit is active, Zetian can press Skill 2 again. Ultimate, Fury of the Phoenix. Zetian begins channeling her ultimate. Immediately, all allied heroes anywhere on the map receive a 40, 50, 60 movement speed boost. Simultaneously, a Divine Strike drops on every single enemy hero across the map. No matter where they are hiding, it grants Zetian full vision of all enemies. With total damage of 700, 500, 400 and stuns them for 0.8 seconds.
My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history to decide. My crown gleams not with heavenly light, but with the faith of my...
Understood. Slain. Not ready. Request backup. Okay.
transgressions. My legacy, be it glory or infamy, is for history.